Hi guys, it's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Caribbean style curry sauce. So the first thing we need to do is to heat up a frying pan or a skillet and add some olive oil to our pan. Once we do that, we're just going to add some onions, garlic, scallion and ginger, and we're just going to saute all of those ingredients until they're soft and translucent. So now we're going to add some bell peppers. I'm using red bell peppers along with some carrots. Just going to add that to our frying pan, and we're going to continue to cook and make them nice and soft. Now we're going to add some chopped tomato to the frying pan. You can use passata if you want to instead. And then I'm just going to fold that in with the other ingredients and just allow it to cook through for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add my herbs and spices. So I'm just going to add my curry powder along with my all-purpose seasoning, paprika, allspice, also known as pimento, black pepper, thyme, shadow benny, and also black pepper. So the next thing I need to do is to pour in my coconut milk and then add some coconut cream, also known as creamed coconut. I'm also going to add a Scotch bonnet pepper as well. That's optional. If you don't like too much heat, then don't add the Scotch bonnet pepper. So now I'm just going to put the lid on and then just allow the mixture to simmer down. So now I'm just going to remove the lid so you guys can see what the mixture looks like now. It's nice and thick, and I'm just going to remove the Scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want to blend that up when I'm making the sauce, because that's going to make the sauce too hot. But if you want a hot Caribbean curry style sauce, then you can add, or should I say leave, the Scotch bonnet pepper in with the mixture. So I've added my mixture to a blender. You can use a food processor, and you just want to blitz it until it's completely smooth. And that's how you make the curry sauce. I hope you make the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you on the other side.